Hi, this is Reggie from Restore Plus Physical Therapy, and welcome to today's tip of the day. In this video, I want to show you how you can improve your back pain and flexibility in 48 hours without seeking medical treatment. World Health Organization have mentioned and they have estimated that around 60 to 70% of people suffer from back pain. So that's quite a significant number. So it's like basically like 3 out of 4 people are suffering from back pain. Now, if you've had back pain before, you know how bad it can feel, how much it can limit you. For example, some people are, not able to bend down. They're not able to pick things up from the floor. They're not able to, squat. Even as simple as putting their socks or shoes on can be difficult for people suffering from back pain, right? But aside from physical, a lot of times back pain can limit the person from participating in family functions, in sports, working out, playing with their kids. And like for me, I've had back pain before, and that's one thing that really killed me is I wasn't even able to lift my son. So it affects people in a whole multitude of ways, right? So I want to show you how actually to improve that without having to seek medical treatment. Now, before we get into that, I just want to give you an idea of what we're trying to do. So let me show you an image, like a diagram here. So this is a diagram of a person. So this is the back. You have the glutes here, all right? And this is the back, and this is the front part. It's the flank or on the side here, right? So as you can see, there are muscles surrounding the area. Now, if these muscles get tight, you get an imbalance, right? And then when you get an imbalance, those stiffness and the weakness, that can cause an inflammation leading to eventually what you're having as pain. Now, how do we approach this? What we want to do is we want to normalize that imbalance, right? We want to correct that. So we want to stretch some of those structures here. So I'll give you 2 key stretches that I want you to try, and then let me know how you feel with that. Okay? So let me just put this here. So the first stretch that I want you to do is I want you to stretch the psoas muscle, which is it's a deep muscle here in the front of the hip area because it's connected to your lumbar spine, and if this is tight, it puts a lot of pressure on the spine. It puts a lot of pressure on the discs, leading to back pain. Okay, so how do we stretch that? How do we normalize the psoas? I want you to, okay, I'm gonna actually try and stretch this side, which left side, so you can see it better. So if I go like this, it's like I'm going to a lunge position, all right? So when I do this, what I want you to do is, I want you to contract your glutes to push your thrusting your hip forward a little bit. Want you to be straight or slightly extended. You're opening up, the front part here of your hip, all right? So when you do that, you should feel a stretch here. Make sure don't bend your knee too much that you're doing an actual lunge. Your knee should be relatively straight and you're in this position, all right? Now, if you're not feeling anything here, when you thrust your hip forward, I want you can try lifting your arms up. It will open this up more. And what you can do is you can hold that position for like 30 seconds, or you can do bouncing or pulsing up and down for like 20 to 30 times, and that will help stretch your psoas. That will help normalize it. Right now, the second one that I want you to do is, though this muscle is very it's commonly tight in a lot of people because we sit a lot. Now it's the hamstrings. So what I want you to do is you can use a belt or bath towel, or some of my patients even use a dog leash. You can use a stretch strap like this. All right, and let me show you what to do. I'll do it on my left leg. You can do it for both legs, and I want to show you on the left so you can see it. Hook it in the foot area here, and you can lie down. Now when you're lying down, make sure the other leg is straight, and we'll bring this leg up, and you're going to, if this is how far you can go, I want you to pull a little more. You should feel the stretch here on the hamstrings. Okay, so when you feel that, so that means that you're stretching your hamstrings, and that's gonna help. All right, so make sure that when you're doing either one of these exercises, make sure you're not feeling the pain on the back. Make sure you're not feeling any pain going down the legs. You should just be feeling the stretch in those muscles. All right? So why don't you try those? Let me know how you feel. Love to hear from you guys. Leave your comments below. And if you like this video, you can like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, subscribe to a YouTube channel, or share this with people you know. All right? So I'll see you on the next video. You're awesome.